of stuck for today. Maybe I'll go out and get more hangers, but these hangers aren't good enough, I don't think, because they're not wide enough. If we go like this, that's not enough to get the other joist in. And I kind of want to use these hangers for extra strength. Okay, so if you look at this, it's 3 1/4 outside. And if we look at this, it's 3 5/8. So it's just not enough. Hey, welcome back. I've been procrastinating a bit, but we're gonna get back after it here. Last I left off, I just kind of did this one thing here. So I got to slap a little piece in there, but I'm mainly interested in getting this longer piece up here, and maybe a longer piece up there. I've got some new hangers. Had to go get some new hangers. Oh, we got gloves. So hopefully those fit a bit better, and I can make some hangers work up there. And then, yeah, these 2 14-footers are supposed to go in here, and then maybe I'll do some other touch-up stuff, or I'll get ready to do this big area here, but I gotta go out and get a couple things. So anyways, I will put the camera down and just get to work here. So wish me luck. Oh yeah, also, I saw somewhere that you're supposed to put a coin in the walls for good luck. So I've got this 2024 dime here. Oh my god, I got a spider on me. That's friggin' brutal. Friggin' guy. That's fine. Keep going. No big deal. Oh no. Oh no. So I heard that if you put a coin in the wall, you get good luck on these, houses if you're messing around. So we're gonna throw a coin down this one wall, and I mean, we need all the luck we can get. So let's throw her down and hope for the best here. I think this one's fine. I don't know. I guess we could put it over there, but no, that's not really a wall. Anyway, see you later, coin. It's a dime from 2024. Wish us luck. Hopefully someone finds this one. All right, we'll throw the camera down here and try to get in a good spot. See if we can get some actual work done. Gotta put in a brace right here to support that. Then we're gonna jack stud. Then we're gonna cut and put this through, I think. Let's see. I'm dusty and dirty. Frickin', I didn't wear a mask last time when I was hurting, so this time, even though it doesn't seem too dusty, I was wearing a mask. Okay, what did we do? We put a tiny little fix up there because I don't want to disconnect all the plumbing, so I just tidied up that beam where there was a little cutout from someone putting something through at a previous time. And we cleaned up all of the nails, etc. And then I put in this little brace here just to kind of hold everything tough. And then I put in these other braces here. Everything seems fine. Just tack them in lightly with a couple screws here and there. And the plan of attack is to cut through this with, I guess, the Sawzall, and then cut through this, and then do the same on that side, cut through that and cut through that, and then afterwards we'll measure and we'll put a nice new LVL sistered onto this bad boy, and all the way over to about where the old floor meets the new subfloor ish, so I can get a heat pipe in there later. And then we'll use lots of PL and we'll block it all up and do more later. Let's get after it, and hopefully the house doesn't fall down, because that's kind of where we're at here now. So I guess maybe we'll put this over here. That's okay. Now, I can take this. Okay.
Oh!
Fucking hell. I forgot the sledgehammer on the ladder and it fell on my head. Man, it's a tough day. It's a tough day so far. I think I'm okay though. No stress. No stress. Jeez. It must be time for a break though. That's for freaking sure. Let's get this out of here. Hopefully the floor is okay up there. We just put some stress on it. Okay. GRK bit. And done enough. Holy. So lots of PL. This is kissing nicely. Wish there was a bit more right there, but whatever. We're gonna put a hanger there. And then we're not gonna take these out just yet, because we're gonna do a couple other things, but it's awesome. This is in, and I did not die from the board falling or getting hit by the sledgehammer. We'll pull this out. That looks like it's nicely up in there, nicely matted. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, up there is a bit different, but we're gonna put another brace going there, another scab part of the way in there, and then we'll probably even leave this little adjustment here if possible. So yeah, we'll see. But dang, I wish I hadn't cut that so fat now. Anyway, gotta do it while it's hot. But that's it. That's probably it for today. Yikes. Oh, there we go. I don't know. We got a few things holding together the house here. We didn't use the jacks. We'll leave this for now, like I said, but it's looking good. I'm glad that's in. We'll put a hanger there, but no rush on that. And we'll see what we do next time. All right. Hope everyone wasn't too scared when I got hit by the wood and sledgehammer. But we'll catch you on the next one.